Hey guys, so I wanted to just shoot you guys a video to follow up with what we did yesterday. So let me just do a quick screen share. So yesterday, on our sort of Pips Like a Pro show, I was discussing the Swiss yen, which was requested on the show. So if you didn't watch the show, guys, you can find it in the group. It'll be in the announcements, Pips Like a Pro, where we talk about all things trading, and then we have a setup of the week. Sometimes I prepare one, and sometimes we let you guys choose. So yesterday, you guys chose the Swiss yen. Admittedly, it's not one that I actively trade, but it was absolutely fine to go through. So in case you didn't miss the show, in case you didn't watch the show, what I was talking about yesterday was, you know, we had this strong weekly resistance here. And then when you kind of look at the daily chart, also, we kind of had this sort of squeezing price action, strong sort of bearish engulfing daily bar there as well. And if you actually put in our daily levels, you'll see that we were basically on some strong daily levels here. So what I was discussing yesterday is possibly we could be looking for any rallies to potentially sell, and you know, maybe this is going to kind of go down and test this area here. So moving forward, you know, this is the 4-hour chart. So this is what's happened since, you know, yesterday when we did the show, we were kind of holding here. And if you look at the hourly chart also, you know, we were kind of discussing, you know, whether this was going to pull back and possibly give us an opportunity to sell. So the area that we marked was 117.80. Okay. Now, what's quite interesting about that area, that's still for me a very, very nice area. You know, you have the daily trading range there. And actually, if you take the whole move here, okay, and you mark down where the 618 is, which is the, you know, the kind of most common pullback zone, you can kind of also see there that, you know, we've got this old support here. We've got a market that's generally ranging. We've got the daily trading range. We've got the 618 right there. So for me, that looks like a decent little area to consider a short. Now, if you want to have extra confirmation, then as we kind of discussed yesterday, what you could do is wait for the stochastic to get into the overbought territory. And then say if this market kind of goes up and then ends up somewhere here, and then this is overbought, then this could be like a nice selling opportunity. Now, this may not happen, guys, today. You know, we may just kind of run and stop there and just kind of end the week like that. And then maybe next week we kind of get something like that and then like that. So you can kind of see there, we've got this sort of the start of a channel here. So this could be like 0.1, 0.2. This could be the first point on the high side. And maybe this is going to kind of create a high point here. And if that's kind of in our sell zone with the stochastic overbought, you know, and ideally if we've got the daily trading range as well, then that's going to be a very nice potential selling opportunity that matches up with the higher time frame. So, you know, for me, I think it's unlikely that you're going to get it today. And in fact, in many ways, you kind of want it next week, because then it means it's kind of going up slow as well. And then it will kind of, you know, if you kind of get this alignment here of the channel line with these levels, it's going to be a much stronger move. And, you know, if you're going to sell something, sell short something, ideally, you don't want it to kind of be sort of powering up whilst you're selling it. You want it to be kind of nice and slow to kind of show weakness on the buy side. All right, guys, hope that helps. Have a great Friday. Good trading to you all, and I'll catch you again soon with another video. Take care, everybody.